spamming, but we have a serious weather situation. We go, baby! That's a worry. Please! Number 4 so far. This is for, Garden of Cali, including the city of Enid. This is a store that has developed within the last 15 minutes. First alert Doppler radar shows that this is a very intense store. Right along with Dusty, okay? Zach, works out. Where is Dave? All right, let's go, people. We know where Jonas is. Yeah, still announced it's 130 miles from it. Let's go, can we beat him? I'm working on it. Oh, thanks for stopping by. I'm sorry to Eden, Ronnie. It's what you live for. Bye. Good to see you, Bill. Honey, it's okay. Tasty cow, mate. It's for you, Dad, boy. Thank you, sweetheart. You and me, right? Honey, sweet. Well, it was a pleasure. Likewise. You better run. Jeez, please. You're welcome. Rabbit, let's go right here. We'll take Myers Road past the fire station, and we'll take 133 to 44 East. Rabbit, you know the shortcut place? No, we need every second. Okay, Rabbit, time to impress me. Okay. About a mile up this little detour, we're gonna take a walk in the woods. There is just nice. Hey, yes, Bob, me here from back me, Beetle, okay, let's get you wired. Black, not gay, be to the bear, not secret man, you must be. Oh, excuse me. Okay. Okay, rock. See, Gerald, an ordinary versus man's high boys situations. People with like get in that situation. I just okay, man, what do you got? Y'all can't build your left here toward that barn? You sure about that? Yeah. Trust me, Rabbit is good, Rabbit is wise. Nothing is rushed. This is a field, Rabbit. I know, keep going, beyond and right through that brush. You see that brush right in front of you? Yeah, we see the brush. What's beyond that? Beyond what? Beyond what? The brush. You have the law. Shoot it, lighting what? Oh, it's the highway, it's the highway. Where's the road, Rabbit? Yeah, where's the road, man? This should be any moment. Watch out! Whoa! Hello. Shit. She's insane. You're insane, Joe. What are you trying to do? Get somebody killed? Oh, really, Jonas? It was so nice of you to stop back there and make sure we were on his ankles. Okay, on the side of the road and not stop. Clear.